insert the 1 gig micro SD card that is given to you in the package. Press Start. Go to File Explorer. Choose Storage Card. Click on NavFone PPC. Choose Storage Card. Click Install. After successfully installed, click OK. Exit from storage card. Press Start. Go to Programs. Find NavFone PPC icon and select. Click OK. Key in the license number stated on the card when you purchased. Register via SMS. Key in the license number and your username and press Activate. SMS charges apply. Continue to send. Press Yes. Your registration request had been sent via SMS. Please wait for the reply. It will take a while to load. Your registration is successful. Click OK. Please read the software license agreement. And press I agree on the bottom right corner. That's it.